This is Calicarpa, a fabulous shrub for pollinators. Beautiful little lilac flowers, but actually the reason people buy it is because of the lilac berries and tinge lilac to the leaf. Anyway, it sits well in this pot. It's been in this pot for a good decade, incredible amount of time. But just to show you an Ecover, I use Ecover bits and bobs, and the lid of the big fairy liquid, if you like, has a hole in it, so you just take the lid off and pop that in as a slow drip. Quite helpful, really. And it'll, you know, you just push it into the soil. And again, if I just come over this way, this hydrangea here, which is in pretty strong sun, which it doesn't like, same thing again. It's a slow burn drip drop, no cost. So there you go.